All right, let's try again. There we go. Good morning.
Morning.
This is file 221583. It's in the name of Mystique Dawn Pressler. Mystique, do you prefer Pressler or Condi?
Connie.
All right, Mystique Dawn Condi. We had a hearing yesterday regarding your bond that frankly should not have even have been set. You posted a bond to the bonding company, didn't show up. We were forfeiting your bond, and then we realized you'd been in jail for 11 days, and I should have probably seen you 11 days ago. With us also is Ms. Matea Paycheck from the Public Defender Office.
Okay.
Let's go back to the beginning. On June 19th of 2022, you were charged with, or you're accused of having a retail fraud at the Goodwill store in Three Rivers as a second offense. That's punishable by up to a year in jail. You were arrested in April of 23, April 9th, and on April 16th, you bonded out. So you had 7 days credit. Then it was set for further proceedings, including a pretrial, and you didn't show up. So a bench warrant issued for your arrest, and you got arrested 11 days ago. So you've been in jail. Yes, you've been in jail.
I've been running from these drugs and this stuff for my whole life. I know. I need a break. I can't take it no more. I'm gonna die.
I checked with the circuit court, and you've got the felony cases pending, and they're doing an assessment for adult drug treatment court, which is just what you need. Yeah. Because of the drugs, you've been stealing all the time, and they've been chasing you, and you've been struggling. So let's talk about this case. You've also got several other cases pending, and your bond has been canceled in circuit court pending a possible treatment in a placement in the treatment court.
It's possible treatment. Is that what it said? Is that what you said?
Yeah, they're doing an assessment to see whether you're appropriate. Well, I'm not in charge of it, but you're appropriate.
Yeah.
All right. This is an old retail fraud from Goodwill. You've been in jail for 18 days. You've also got several other cases that I think I can wipe out by dealing with them here today. At any rate, the allegation is that on or about June 19th, you and a co-defendant stole some stuff from the Goodwill store in Three Rivers. They charge it as a second offense, making it punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. I am representing to you that if you plead to this charge, I will give you 18 days in jail, credit 18 days, and let you get prepared for your felony cases in circuit court. I'm also going to wipe out some of your other cases that you haven't paid on over the years.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you willing to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes.
Other than what I just told you, did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No.
Or threaten you?
No.
Now, your original attorney was Paul Gibson. He's not available this morning, so the public defender's office is with us, and she's heard everything we just said. Do you understand, Dawn, that if you plead, or Mystique, that if you plead to this, you'll be giving up your opportunity to have a trial? There will be no trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you had a trial, you'd have a right to have any of the witnesses for or against you subpoenaed to come to court. So you could be questioned under oath. They could be questioned under oath. You would also have the right to take the witness stand and testify in your own behalf, but you don't have to because you have a right not to testify. And if you did not wish to testify, the judge or jury could not hold your silence against you. And you have the right to be presumed innocent if and until the state was able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Now, according to the affidavit, you and another girl who I won't mention, who I also know, were at the Goodwill store on June 19th of last year, 2022. Is that correct?
I remember.
And you put some stuff in a bag and went out the door without paying for it?
Yep.
All
Yes.
right. All right, well, let's take care of this. Have you had your assessment yet?
No, I haven't. It's coming.
All right.
I need to take care of all these charges first.
Well, we're going to do some of that right now.
Okay. I'm just now
You
starting
did
to see
7 days at the front end and you bonded out, then you went AWOL, then you got picked up 11 days ago. So that's 18 days credit, 18 days. I'm going to waive your fines and costs because you can't, you know, a bunch of other stuff. So you're also barred from Goodwill for 1 year. Are you struggling with opioids or meth? Opioids had been your struggle.
Heroin. I got to get off of it.
Heroin or
yeah,
fentanyl
heroin. I mean both, but heroin is the worst. But I need treatment for it all. I need treatment for it all.
Yes.
Right now, today's the first day I've actually been able to see light right now. I mean, it's been bad.
Well, you've been in jail for 11 days. So have you been going through detox?
Bad.
All right. Well, so you seem pretty with it this morning. You're understanding everything we're talking about?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to wipe out some other cases. File 19160.
Thank
You're
you,
on a
Mr.
payment plan where you never made any payment. I'm going to order, that's a retail fraud. Fail to pay. 11 days credit, 11 days. Concurrent with all other cases.
Thank you, Mr. Allison.
I'm going to wipe out everything. I put you on those payment plans and you were struggling so much. You were just trying to get from one day to the next.
Yeah.
But you know enough people that have overdosed. I don't want you to be one of them. File 211520T is a driving suspended. Fail to pay fines and costs, 11 days credit, 11 days. Concurrent with all other cases.
Thank you, Mr. Melton.
File 211530N, possession of paraphernalia. How did you get arrested 11 days ago?
I was at the grocery store and I just bought like, I don't know, $100 in groceries, and the person that I was with refused to stop.
All right, so you're still hanging around with all the wrong people.
Yeah. Yep. Yes, I am.
11 days credit, and you knew there were warrants out. 11 days credit, 11 days on that paraphernalia charge, concurrent with all other cases. And then there's one more, an open intox case from state statute 21153. I
So after
think
these are
this
taken
takes
care of-
care of all 4 cases that you had fines on, plus this one. So I think it takes care of all 5 open district court cases you have.
Okay,
You have 2 cases in circuit court. And your bond by your own request was canceled.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna go anywhere, but that does take care of everything you had down here. It's one day at a time, and
Yeah.
you've just had 11 clean, rough days. They
Yeah.
start to get better from here.
Thank
And
God.
we'll see what they decide to do regarding adult drug treatment court. But that
Thank-
takes care of everything you have down here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck to you, Ms. McConaughey.
Thank you, Jeff.
All right, bye. All right, Matea, thanks for your help. We did manage to take care of a lot of old baggage there.
Of course, not a problem. Have a great day.
Thank you. All right, that girl I've known for since she was 17. She's right. All right, that's it, I believe, for today. We'll be back in the morning with arraignments and some other things, unless I get another bench warrant or something. So thank you all for saying good morning. Everybody have a good day. And I'll be a little better tomorrow.